Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this chrome strip from your trunk on a 2017 Honda Accord. In order to gain access to the back side of the chrome molding, we're going to have to remove this trunk carpet. And to do that, take a flathead or a clip tool, and you're going to separate this two-piece clip. It just smashed down and you want to get between the two pieces and open it up and then pull out on it and the clip will come right out. And we're gonna have to do this on all of the clips on this trunk carpet. And then from here, you're gonna wanna take a 10mm socket, and inside this hole right here by the cable here is a 10mm bolt we're gonna have to take out. And same with the other side. Next, you're going to want to take a wide plastic pry tool. You can get these off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get these. You're just going to want to take it and put it between the chrome and the taillight. And with your other hand, with a palm of your hand, just tap on the end of it, and that gets it in between there. Kind of see I got a little gap going there. Gets it between there, and then just pry out on the chrome. And it slips right out. You can see there's a clip right there that we just popped out. And you want to do the same on this side also. And that's it guys, the chrome strip's off. If you're looking how to remove this camera, I have a separate video on that, and I'll link to that in the description below also. But that's it. Thanks for watching guys.